What is going on, guys? Tall Fisherman Jay's Arms here. The rumors are true. I have no body at today. We are out here in the Everglades. I mean, as you can see, there is absolutely like nothing. Well, that's not true, guys. There's some people right down this trail here. We're not really in the Everglades. We're pretty close though. We are in the Loxahatchee Preserve, and there's this little trail that I actually found when I was looking on Google Maps. You can actually do street view and go up and down this whole trail. There's all these little canals and offshoots right here. A couple co-workers of mine, actually, they've come out here and they're just little scared little bitches because they ran into some alligators and they didn't know what to do. And guys, the alligators don't bother you. So we're just gonna start fishing these canals, hopefully get on some nice largemouth bass, because got the frog tied on and I am just, I don't know, I'm chomping at the bit to catch a nice one. Even if I don't, it's still gonna be an awesome, beautiful day, and we'll be out here fishing instead of stuck behind my desk at work. So see you at the first fish catch. Oh my gosh. First bite. Did I screw up my lens? No. What was that? Oh my gosh. What is it? It's a snakehead? It's a snake. Oh my god, it's a freaking snake in the Everglades! This is not good! Oh man. Holy crap. That was ridiculous. Okay. There he is, guys. Dude, look at this. Okay. Where'd he go? I see him. He is in there. I'm gonna get bit by a snake or something. This is not good. Ugh. I mean, I don't want this fish to die. So that's why I'm doing this. Because he's not. Let's see if I can grab him. Ugh. I got him. There we go. Oh, don't freak out, dude. Well, first snake of the day. About 3 pounds. Yeah, 3-pounder. So back in there. Now I'm absolutely filthy. Holy cow. That's great. Whew. This is crazy. Apparently I've got snakehead on one side of the canal, and then on this other side I've got all kinds of Everglades species. I've got bass. There's got to be bowfin in here. Everything is insane. It's the best of both worlds, and I freaking love it. And look at that temperature, guys. 68.6. It's gonna slowly start getting warmer and warmer, but this is such a beautiful day. It's comfortable out. It's Florida. Guys, if you've never been to Florida, get down here. Hit me up. We will go fishing. Tall Fisherman Jay's Arms. No body. What do I got? Bass. So sick. I watched this guy come out and eat it. He just freaking swooped up and went whoosh. All right, 1 for 1. Wow. Oh, you guys can barely see it, but that right there is how a bass should eat a frog. Inhaled it. Love it. Okay, buddy, this is not going to be a nice release, and I apologize for that. How do I do this? All right. Crazy. Man, if I end up catching a bigger one, I don't want to go down there, because yeah, there's gators. They're not gonna fuck with you, but when you have a bass, that's a different story. So anyways, frogfish, let's keep fishing. La-di-da-ti, we like to party. We don't cause trouble, we don't bother nobody. Except for big bass. Yes. Gators, legit, not even joking. Are there any gators? All right. 2-pounder? Yeah. Ow, don't bite me. Sweet. Snoop Dogg brought him out. And you gotta love the frog bite. Oh, freaking love it. I mean, this guy really is just about 2 pounds. I'm not even that concerned with the weight, but I don't know. I want to get good at guesstimating. You see these dudes freaking catch 4-pounders and they say they're freaking 6s and 8s. 2.6, very nice. Catch that in any pond, anywhere, you are going to be a happy camper. And if you're not, well guys, you kind of maybe need to recheck your priorities. All right, gators, legit freaking out because I saw one already, and I'm pretty close to him. All right, peace out. I give that one an 8. German judge probably gave him a 4.2. All right, well, Tall Fisherman Jay's arms have come to a crossroads right here, and I'm gonna have to pull out my phone. Wait, that's not really how he sounds. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. So, yeah, this place, like I said, I was able to go on Street View and look at this place, and it was freaking amazing. Just being able to, I mean, that's how I knew that this place would be the absolute juice. They literally drove the car or whatever all through these trails and did Street View this entire area. Let's take a look. I mean, it looks like there's plenty of places to fish. All right, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to continue on this way, and then I'll make my first right and I'll just do this first little loop, and hopefully we'll get tight on some more fish. So, back in action, arms, let's go. Oh no, I just caught a baby alligator. Well, all right, it's coming. Here it's coming, it's coming.
Yeah, you got it almost.
Well, thank you so much for your help. It would have taken 3 times as long if I had to do that by myself. I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, great, here comes another one. I didn't even see the freaking last one, and now we got freaking Allie. Jesus, I'm not even gonna mess around, guys. I'm not even gonna mess around. Wow. Oh, nice bass. A nice bass. Freaking nice bass. Okay. Get out of here! Oh my God. Get out of here. Freaking get out of here. Whew. Sorry, bass. He's all dirty. Anyways, there's a nice 4-pounder, right? I hope so. We'll get a weight on him. Should have got a weight on that alligator. All right, so 0. It's gonna weight. I'm saying 4 on the dot. Oh, I'm under. 310. I mean, if you round up, it's 4. Where are you, freaking bird? Don't be sneaking up on me. Okay, bass. Freaking awesome. Nice chunk. That's a freaking chunk. Don't you dare. You want to fight? I'll fight you, bird. Wah! Come on out to Loxahatchee. Fight the freaking alligators and the birds and the bugs and everything for your bass, because it ain't gonna come easy. It ain't gonna come easy, and I freaking love it. All right, guys, my arms have made it back to the place where we started this morning, and I'm not getting any bites on the frog. I don't know. I switched over to a popping frog because I figured maybe a slower presentation might draw them out a little bit more, and just, I don't know, they were reacting not super fast and aggressive, except for that 310. And speaking at 310, that was the last fish I caught in the last like hour and a half. So I'm gonna throw the frog around in the area I started, just because it just seemed to be the biggest concentration of bass in this area. And then from there, I'm gonna switch over to the Senko, guys. You know, that's how fishing is. You can't really catch them the way you want to all the time. You gotta catch them the way the bass want to eat. So I'm gonna switch over to a Senko, and if they are not eating the Senko, I'm going home, because that's just absolutely redonkulous. Damn. Oh man, sick. Oh man, I don't know why I'm not getting any hooks in them. Maybe it's because hollow body frogs suck for snakeheads. That was definitely a snakehead though. Those death rolls are unmistakable. Ooh, I see you. Yeah, you look at you. I'm pointing at you and you duck down a little bit, you little sneak. Well, he ain't. I shouldn't say little sneak, he's big. Great. This is no bueno. All right, we're about to do something stupid. Oh, he's big. All right. He's 5 feet. He's not 6. Oh gosh, kids, don't do what I do. Do not do what I just did. Oh my gosh, that's freaky, dude. If you're ever curious why it's only arms you see with Tall Fisherman Jay, well, that alligator right there is, that's why. There we go. Biggin, biggin, biggin. Holy crap, out of a tiny hole. Got to be kidding me, man. I freaking love it. Oh, okay, he's not big. Thought he was big. Freaking fought big. They all do. Oh my God. Dude. All right, there he is. 2 pounds, maybe a little over. So here's another fun fact for you guys. If I were to take this snake and throw him in that body of water, this is completely separate. This does not connect to this. So if I put him in that body of, excuse me. So if we'll just leave him here. If I put him in that body of water, that is illegal. I have to return him to this body of water if I do not choose to kill this fish. And of course, I'm not going to choose to kill this fish, so I have to return him back to that body of water. It is not illegal to return the fish back to the water. You do not have to kill them. It's completely your choice. But you cannot transport them live, and you cannot put them in a new body of water, even if it's only 3 feet away. There, he made it. Bit. Missed. What? So sick. This is like, guys, this is the friggin' juice spot. Okay. freaking destroyed it like he's way bigger. And it's only a 2-pounder. That was like friggin' 10-pounder. Easily supposed to be a 10-pounder. Maybe he will be one day. Again, that frog eat. Woo! No gators, no gators, no gators. All right. Oh my God. Almost ripped the rod out of my hands. He almost freaking ripped the rod out of my hands. I don't know if I still got him. I can't tell. Holy crap. I got him. I got him. I got him. Where is he? Dude, where the hell is this fish? Okay, he's not that big. I thought he was way bigger. Come on. Open up. Okay. Put that there. Put that there. And I'll put you right there. Dude, stop. Just chill out. Well, there he is. Can't say I don't do what I can to help these fish survive. There we go. He's gonna freak out. Not quite. 3-1. Man, I feel ripped off. There. He's good. Oh, man. All right. What's going on, guys? Tall Fisherman Jay's Arms at 2. Hey, we're done. We're done for the day. Guys, I don't know why I'm goofing around like that. Obviously, these are my arms, not Tall Jay's. And, yeah, I'm just messing around. So don't anybody get too butthurt over that. I was just watching a bunch of his videos last night, and his little intro is like stuck in my head, and it's just funny because a lot of his videos are, you know, just him talking with his arms, which is totally cool because I did that in like my last video and everybody seemed to like it, so I wanted to do it again in this video. And hey, if it works, it works. So I'm definitely not hating on that, but I appreciate everybody watching. That was freaking awesome day. I mean, even though it was kind of a grind, we still caught some fish, and we did the snakehead deal, man. I can't wrap my head around that. It's still just absolutely crazy. But anyways, found this place on Google Maps. They did Street View, and it just looked sick, and I had to try it. And it was absolutely a day with the gators and the freaking blue heron coming at me with that almost 4-pound fish, man. But anyways, guys, I'm on my way home. It's hot. I'm hungry. I got to shower. Got to edit this video. Appreciate all your support. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love seeing those smiling faces in all these videos. You guys know what to do. I'll see you in next week's video. So hit that subscribe and peace. Yeah, that's right. Freaking blue heron. What the hell? Trying to freaking take a 4-pound bass off of my line.